Guys, welcome back. It's been a minute. I'm happy to be here. Welcome 2021. It's got to be better than 2020. I'm sure we're all looking forward to it. So you notice I haven't posted anything recently. I've taken some time to focus on the holidays, friends and loved ones, and reset. Today's video is going to be on my new wedding pricing system. So if you're a wedding videographer, I would stick around because you might find this helpful. So first we're going to roll my 2021 wedding trailer because let's face it, you don't want to stay here and watch my face this whole time. So let's watch that quick and then we'll jump right back into it. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. I mean, we didn't have that much to work with this year because COVID restrictions. We didn't film that many weddings, but I like the video. I think it works. And now let's jump into the pricing system. For my new system, I only offer one package. It's called the base package. But before we get into that, I want to talk about my old system, and that way you can kind of see the differences. So my old way, I think, is how most of us do it. We have tiers or wedding packages, like tier 1, 2, 3, maybe a full day, half day, and ceremony only package with different things in each package. So I'd get many questions like, for example, if they wanted the full day wedding package, I'd get an email saying something like, oh, I really like the wedding package, but instead of 10 hours, we only need 9, and I don't need the wedding trailer, so can we have the price adjusted? And over the years, that kind of became a pain. So this new system I have fixes all those problems. So if you're having these issues, this could be helpful. First, I'd like to mention that I recently started taking this course, Full-Time Filmmaker, for the business aspect, and it is phenomenal. And this is actually where I got that idea. So I'll link the videographer below. His name's Jake Weisler, and he does the wedding section in that course, and he's fantastic. And the way his system works is you have a base package. So for me, that is 6 hours of coverage, a second videographer, drone coverage, and a 5 to 7 minute film edited in 4K. Okay, so then you have your add-on section, and this is all the add-ons they can add on to their package, and this makes it fully customizable to them, and they can make their wedding package exactly how they want. So some of these add-ons I have are hours. They can add up to 6 hours, a longer edit, so a 10 to 12 minute edit, which is most popular. Raw footage plus separately edited videos for speeches and for stances. A love story, which includes an interview session where they tell their love story to the camera, and then a couple session, and this is used for B-roll and their wedding film. I have a separate ceremony edit, which is a full edit of their ceremony. I normally have 3 cameras set up, so you can slice it all together, and then they can have a full edit of their entire ceremony. And I have a speedy delivery, which is if they want their wedding film done right away, I have a 2-week delivery and you pay extra for that. So those are all my add-ons. You could add more, like a third videographer, if you think you need that. If you want to check out my website to see the package for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. So that's it for this video. I have videos still backed up from last year I'm going to upload. I just want to do something a little different than uploading another recommending product for you to buy. I needed to mix it up, so that's why I want to do this one first, and then I'll upload a couple more of those. But anything I recommend, like I truly do believe in, and I'd only recommend the things that I actually think are worth investing in. Other than that, I mean, we're in another lockdown, so probably just make some more YouTube videos, because what else are you gonna do? Let me know what you guys want to see. I recently got some new lenses. I got the Sigma 50mm 1.4, and the lens I'm most excited for is I got the Sigma 14mm f1.8. It's a beauty. I wanted a super wide angle lens to replace my 16-35 that was getting a little old. The 14mm is super sharp. It's gonna be great. I'm really excited for it. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.